In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to continuously play audio even when the phone's display is off. So right here, I have an audio file, and I want to play this without it being stopped when the phone's display goes off. Okay, so I'm going to play it. Now if I go to audio, there's no app available. So let's say I don't want to install an app, so I'm going to use a different program to open it. So I'll go to videos. There's a video player that can play this file. Okay, so now it's playing. But look what happens. If I press the power button on the phone, when I turn off the display, it stops playing. Now let me try something else. Okay, so I'm going to play it again. Now watch what happens. When I close the window, it stops playing. Okay, so I'm going to play it again. Now I'm going to let it play, and the display will automatically turn off, which a phone does, and you're going to see it's going to stop playing. So how can I change this? How can I play audio without it being interrupted? So I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the audio file. I'm going to open it, but this time I'm going to select Documents, and I'm going to select HTML Viewer. Okay, so now it's playing. Now watch what happens when I press the power button. It's still playing, right? Okay, so let's try to close the screen. It's still playing. And finally, I'm going to allow the display to go off automatically. And let's see what happens. It's still playing. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.